Welcome to our presentation on the formation of waterfalls. There are two layers of rock on the river's surface. One is softer than the other. As the river flows over the soft rock begins to erode away. The soft rock continues to erode as the hard rock stays intact. The erosion causes a dip in the soft rock. After a while, this dip grows to form a plunge pool. The water erodes the soft rock that is supporting the hard rock above it. Eventually, the hard rock is no longer supported and collapses. Having collapsed, the pieces of hard rock are swirled around in the river by the force of the water. This type of erosion is called attrition. Over millions of years, the process is repeated, and further erosion causes the waterfall to move upstream. The waterfall retreats, leaving a steep-sided gorge. Advert break!
Hi, I'm a Shouty man from Plant Zardas. Due to an error, we are currently overstocked on all plants now and passing the savings on to you. Here is a selection of the stuff we have in stock.
Plants, plants, more plants, algae,